real bad day to be a Gator.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Told y'all we was gonna make quick work of it this morning.
Oh my God.
What an incredible day. Good Lord, what have we done to deserve this? All right, Florida Man fam, we're gonna jump right into this episode right here. We have this gator that has eaten a bait. I'm trying to get a second snatch hook in him. I know it's a good gator, but I have no idea what we are about to hang into and fight here for the next 45 minutes.
It's wrapped around your.
We're good, guys, we're good.
You're tipped. There you go. You make me feel like dancing. You dance the night away. Spinning in circles here with this alligator.
So I know that you're sitting here watching this video probably thinking, why is he not throwing more hooks at this gator? Why is he not throwing more hooks? And why is he not trying to get more lines in him? Well, we have a bait in him. In Florida, we can't use hooks in our bait, so it's just in his throat. But with that being said, I also don't want to get this third line that I'm trying to get in this gator. I don't want to get tangled up with the other line, so I'm being very, very patient.
He's about the dolphin. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, just be careful. Just be careful. Hey, your drags are set fine. You guys are good.
Let him do his thing.
There you go. Put that phone down. Mike, there's a big hook in the live well. That's the field goal. Huh? We need that. Is it a white line on it? Yes.
The big treble.
Very sharp and it's very large. Hey, how about this one? Here, watch out. I don't want to throw on it right here. It would be a drag, y'all, but you don't have to get in with it.
He's gonna wear himself out.
Tie that off to the side of the boat, one end of it. Just so you know, we're probably about a tenth of the way to the spot. This is going to be an hour and a half. So, if you guys need a minute, take a minute. Because he's headed somewhere. Keep tight on it. Remember, if you're hearing, there you go. Oh my God. Can't stop now. Still smiling, brother. Yeah. That other one ain't that other one ain't flight. Alright, well, we're good. You good? Everybody's good. Alright, I can.
Good shots.
Good shot. Come around. Come around. This way.
You're good, Adam. You can get him.
Yeah.
Hook him. Hook him. There we go. Oh my God.
Get me.
I got one in my pocket.
There you go. You want to take it? Guys, open your pull. Open your pull. Open your I'm broke off. Okay. Get the rod away.
You got it. You got it.
Mike, let's open somebody's rod.
You got one. Use no call, Larry?
No.
Oh my God.
Get the bank stick now. Does anyone have a bullet?
I do, right here. I don't know how to load it.
All right, we got another one now.
Yep, no, I don't know how to load it. How do I load it?
Larry, come hold this right here with everything you got. I mean everything, buddy.
Hard out.
Buddy, I'm sorry too, but you get one shot.
Oh, he's right there.
Put it right there. Okay. Hold him now. Careful. Where we get hurt. Let him get underwater.
Oh, my fingers in there.
Put your fingers out. Hang on. We're good. All right, see right back, 5 inches back behind his eye. Get it to him.
Bam!
That's a giant.
Giant!
He's very alive. Yeah. Grab this tape from under there. Just try not to get any of this rope. Just three good rolls. You can pop it after that one. You're good, you can pop it. Okay. Let's see how alive he is. He's still alive. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. This end of the rope is on his tail. Alright, we're going to have to flip him over and finish him off.
And you load him back in the water.
I just mainly want.
He's got a bullet.
No, we're going to finish him with a knife.
Okay.
Roll him over. You got a knife ready? You got yours? Keep rolling. Here you go. Good God. Here you go, guys.
Brody, you want to kill it?
Adam, hang on.
Sure. You want to kill it, Brody?
Still blinking at you.
Make a decision. Here, I'm going to get you started. Right there. Yep.
Need a long one?
He ought to be dead.
Or to be and he is two different things.
Pretty big, isn't he? Yeah, he's pretty big.
Hurry up, fella.
Is there a screwdriver?
Yes, there is.
Live well? Grab me that
I got it.
screwdriver. That bullet right there.
This may seem a bit grotesque, but this is the fastest, most ethical way to kill this gator that we have up on the side of the boat, because it's too dangerous to hit him with another bang stick when he is up on the deck of the boat. So with that being said, I made do, used the hammer and the screwdriver, got right in down to the spinal canal, and went ahead and finished this gator off.
Just break the screwdriver?
Yeah.
Dump it in the water. Dump it in the water. What do you think, Mike?
Pretty wild.
Kevin?
Phenomenal.
He's done. I think he's
Not blinking anymore.
He's done.
He's not grunting.
Florida Man Adventures. I told you guys these lucky shirts. The link is in the description below. You'll get yours lucky. Add them 15% off. What an incredible day. Thank you, God, for all of your blessings and listening to my prayers. Good Lord, what have we done to deserve this? After yesterday's epic battle, we actually had a couple of big gators that we could have caught, but the boat was too loaded down. So we came back this morning and threw a bait, worked a little magic, and the gator took the bait. But unfortunately, for whatever reason, and gators go through this phase of like what we call lockjaw at some point in September, and they are not hungry. But the method that I hunt, he still took the bait, but he didn't take it back and eat it. So we're going to rely on this gator taker hook and a little bit of old Indian trick and see if we can't pull him in the boat here. You guys stay tuned. I think he's actually going to be bigger than the one yesterday, just from what I see right now. So you guys stay tuned. What do you think about that, buddy?
Let's get her done.
You guys ready?
Roger that.
You're not too beat up from yesterday still?
Nope. No, bring it on.
Y'all ready? Shee.
It's on. Oh, you got him though.
Pick the trolling motor up.
Broke off or pulled out? Pulled out.
Right there.
He's right there. Right there. Good shot. Good shot.
Come around.
Yeah, it's tied.
He's a 10-footer.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I got a little fight in him too.
That tied on one of them good catfish knots.
I didn't tie it on, Brody did.
Tied it on good.
Good. Ready? You think you can handle this thing on a hand line?
Hand line?
Yeah, come here. Somebody come up with that. He's tight now.
I've been working. You'll get another one on him. He's gonna give you the hand line, big boy.
Come here, birdie. There's the lane. Leave it right here alone. Oh.
Yeah. He didn't like it.
Oh, real close. Yep. Keep that rod to the butt.
Broke off at the bail.
All right, buddy. Sure, eat your weed, but hope you did.
I'm actually doing it.
Not wrap your hands like Yeah, just let it
Like
feel
that?
through your hands.
Keep your thumbs out.
Grab that line for
It's tethered to the boat some, so if you have to let go, you let go.
yeah, yeah. Nothing is worth it.
So, G, you want to take this?
Here's the leader. Alright, Brody, I'm gonna hand you the feet. We can do on this side. Good. Y'all just easily work your way forward. Easily work your way forward. Hey, can you work on tying another hook? Come here, bud. Get a little bit of power here, my man. He's probably gonna shoot up on the boat. I'll watch your feet, bud. Leader. Watch out, Brody. He's gonna come back there. Here. There you go.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Where's them bullets? We called that now. Something flipped right there.
Hold him, Brody. Hold him, Brody.
You broke? Yeah. I'm about to have to replace all of that. Here, don't pull. No. Told you I was gonna make quick work of it this morning. They was acting right, so look what we did. All right, Mike. Go ahead and snap that tag. Look at there.
She is tagged.
That's it. Hey, congrats, buddy.
Thanks, bro.
Hey,
Good time. Good time.
next tag we're gonna punch. What are we gonna? Why don't we kill a pair of 350s?
250s?
350s.
That's just showing off.
All right. I'll kill a 400. You kill a 350.
All right, I'll do 350.
All right, guys. We're gonna close this one out. I don't even know if it's gonna be have time to go eat dinner, lunch at Lightsy's. But it's been a fun week. Couple things. Don't forget, there's always a plan for you. 2, trust the plan. 3, be patient. 4, hunt hard. 5, have fun doing it. 6, it's not a competition. 7, always remember your bullets. 8, always remember a screwdriver. 9, always remember your tags when you leave the house. 10, subscribe, like this video, share with 10 of your friends, tell them to share with 10 of their friends, and we'll see you guys next time.